have a lot of different pieces to this program tonight. We have workshops, we have a panel, we have keynotes.
When we come together, it's on purpose. I always say that whenever I'm meeting people or whenever there's a group that's showing up, it's a reunion because we know each other in the spirit, and so we're seeing each other again. So I want to thank you for co-creating this experience with us. And it's not lost on me how special this is, because something like this wasn't around 10 to 15 years ago. Like, this is so new, this is so revolutionary, especially seeing women in this space having these conversations.
My legacy. I am my passion, and I am my reflection. Do you believe that? Do you?
You need to prune as you grow. So this stage asks you, do you have the courage to cut out those things that aren't performing, even though they might be your babies, to let them go, to create more space and more room for what is working really well to grow more and to free you up. You get to step more and more into the CEO role, the vision holder, the leader, the brand ambassador, the culture creator, the visionary. That's what more and more of your time needs to be spent with, and less on having your hands in the day-to-day stuff. Your mind and your spirit and your heart and your passion now becomes the most important thing, rather than you necessarily being the one that is delivering the service or the product per se.
Having my own capital has allowed me to run the business the way I want to, and to align myself with the people that I want to, so I can be that ally.
I don't see us. I'm willing to create a space for us. We often say in Web3 that we're early, and so I think there's no better time for women, and particularly women of color, to get involved in this space. I think there's real opportunity to build generational wealth with Web3.
They're going to continue to create experiences that are not fitted for us. So that's the true opportunity that we have, is we can make a future, this digital world that's designed for us, by us, that we feel comfortable in.
Love yourself, be in your life, explore your truth, take an adventurous approach to learning you, healing those parts that you feel are broken. Reclaim yourself. Be devoted to you, be in a devotion. Don't miss out on you for anything or anyone. Be mindful and intuitive.
We're here to create space. We're here to create space for women. We're here to create space for those who want to build their companies and do entrepreneurship authentically.